Alright, here we go. We got the 2xFLOUR. That's the flour with the 2x6 behind it. We're going to just see what kind of hole it makes in the 2x6 after the expansion into the flour. We're doing 44 Magnum through the CVA Hunter. These are Federals, 180 grain hollow points. It's the Power Shock. We're going to see how they do. Alright, I love, you can hear the impact. Alright, Alright, here we go. Definitely got the board. It came through here, blew the tape out. We split the board. Hopefully I can find the bullet. Ah, got it. Hee-haw. What's left of it. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This is the 2xFLOUR. And got the 44 mag. Shooting through the CVA, 180 grain. The Power Shock, hollow points. And there's what we have left of the bullet. Went through the flour. And I'm guessing when it slammed that 2x4 or 2x6, that's where it pretty much got its deformity going on. Let's see what we got on the weight. We got 130, 136.9, 137 out of 180 grains. Not too shabby right there. Let's see what we got on maximum expansion. 7.1, not too bad, and almost a 6.59 going that way. Let's take a look at the impact of the board that it's slapped into. Alright, and if we take it, that's pretty much how it's fitting in there. Just like that. So that ain't too bad. Just came in, bam, split the board. It's got enough oomph in it to still split 2x6, so that's pretty good. Got some power after the expansion. So, good deal. And there you are, 2xFLOUR 44 Magnum. Thanks for watching.